Did you know that just 2 minutes of a breathing routine can literally melt your belly fat? Yes, only 2 minutes. No equipment, no gym, no hard workout, just breathing. This technique comes from Japan. It's called the long breath method. But before we get into it, here's a simple fact. Belly fat is the most stubborn fat in your entire body. Whether you're slim or slightly overweight, that extra inch around the waist is the most dangerous. Because it's not just sitting under your skin. It becomes visceral fat, the kind that wraps itself around your organs. And visceral fat is directly linked to diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, fatty liver, and heart problems. So ignoring belly fat is like ignoring a warning signal from your own body. Before we begin, let's check whether your waist is in the safe zone. Just take a measuring tape. Stand straight. Wrap the tape around the level of your navel. If you're a woman, your waist should be below 88 to 89 centimeters. If you're a man, it should be below 101.6 centimeters. Anything above this means your visceral fat is increasing, and it's time to take action. Now let's talk about this Japanese 2-minute method. This technique was discovered accidentally by actor Mickey Ryosuke. A doctor gave him this breathing exercise for back pain, but something unexpected happened. He lost 13 kilos and reduced his waist by 12 centimeters just through controlled breathing. It sounds surprising, but the explanation is completely scientific. When you take a deep inhale, your lungs absorb more oxygen. Oxygen speeds up fat oxidation, turning fat into energy. When you exhale slowly, your core muscles tighten. This tightening gives your metabolism a short, powerful boost and activates the belly area. This is a low-intensity metabolic activator, perfect for beginners, seniors, and busy people. Here's how to do it. Stand straight. Put 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Tighten your core. Shift your weight to the back leg. Inhale deeply for 3 seconds, raising your arms. Exhale for 7 seconds, keeping your core tight. Repeat for 2 minutes every day. If you can go 5 to 10 minutes, results come faster, but 2 minutes is enough to start. Dr. Helena Morris, senior physician at the London Metabolic Health Center, says, controlled deep breathing engages the diaphragm and core muscles. This creates a short burst of metabolic heat that supports waist reduction, especially in people with high visceral fat. In her clinic, a 52-year-old patient reduced her waist from 102 centimeters to 96 centimeters in just 4 weeks, following daily 2 to 3 minutes of the long breath method. This isn't magic. It improves oxygen efficiency in your body, which naturally speeds up fat breakdown. This method works best with small, supportive habits. Avoid heavy meals at night. Walk 20 to 30 minutes daily. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water. Limit processed sugar. These habits boost metabolism and make the breathing routine more effective. If you're a beginner, busy, or finding workouts overwhelming, this 2-minute method is perfect. 0 risk, 0 equipment, 0 complexity. You can do it anytime morning, office break, or right before bed. Consistency is the key. Does it work for everyone? Experts say it works best for people with high visceral fat. Those with extreme obesity should combine this breathing method with diet and walking. This technique is realistic, safe, science-backed, and beginner-friendly. It targets belly fat and shows visible waist improvements. If your belly fat is a concern, clothes feel tight, confidence is low, or health reports are warning you, start this 2-minute Japanese method today. In 10 to 15 days, your waist will feel lighter. In 1 to 2 weeks, your breathing improves. Within a few weeks, inch loss begins. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to Clinical Discovery for doctor-approved, scientific, and practical health solutions. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next update.